If you don't like boring dinners but still crave comfort food, then this Tex-Mex ground beef and potato skillet is your new best friend. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat, just 3 to 5 minutes till it's nice and brown. Drain the excess fat. In goes 2 pounds of thawed hash brown potatoes, 1 cup each of thawed corn kernels and beef broth, 1 sliced zucchini, and a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. Next, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Bring this mix to a boil, cover, reduce heat, and let it simmer for 20-25 minutes until the veggies are tender. Now for the magic touch. Stir in 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and let it melt into gooey perfection. Garnish with sour cream and sliced green onions if you're feeling fancy, and serve immediately. This Tex-Mex ground beef and potato skillet